Hi everybody, I'm Feroz Hussain Sheikh, student of Australia University, CIS 512. Now I'm going to present the Zachmans framework. The Zachmans framework is a classification structure often used in information technology departments by the teams responsible for developing and documenting an enterprise architecture. The framework is used for organizing architectural artifacts in a way that takes into account both the artifact targets and what particular issue is being addressed. These artifacts may include design documents, specifications, and models. The Zachmans framework is one of the earliest enterprise architecture frameworks. The Zachmans framework is a schema. According to Zachmans, this ontology was derived from analogous structure that are found in the older disciplines of architecture construction and engineering manufacturing that classify and organize the design artifacts created in the process of designing and producing complex physical products. It uses a two-dimensional classification model based on the 6 basic interrogatives. The 6 interrogatives are what, how, where, who, when, and what, intersecting 6 distinct perspectives which relate to stakeholder groups like the planner, owner, designer, builder, implementer, and worker. The intersecting cells of the framework correspond to models which, if documented, can provide a holistic view of the enterprise. The advantage of the Zachmans framework is that it is easy to understand, it addresses the enterprise as a whole, it is defined independently of tools or methodologies, and any issue can be mapped against it to understand where they fit. An important drawback is the large number of cells, which is the obstacle for the practical applicability of the framework. Also, the relations between the cells are not that well specified. Notwithstanding these drawbacks, Zachmans is to be credited with providing the first comprehensive framework for enterprise architecture, and his work is still widely used. The Zachmans framework has been compared with the periodic table, in the same way that atoms in the periodic table of chemical elements are identified as the building blocks of matter. The cells in the Zachmans framework are identified as the building blocks of enterprise. The